Okay, so we gotta make sure that we're all doing all the grouting and stuff like this because I'm really concerned with the water flow. And so I do think we graded properly to get the water to flow there, but we just gotta make sure that if water gets in that kitchen, that's just my nightmare. I don't want us to have that, algae thing that happens. So we're also gonna have to talk about getting this rail raised because that's just not safe. So here we're gonna really just stucco this white, and then we're gonna probably match the tiling up top in some way. Maybe inlay a couple traditional Sicilian, classic tile from the 60s. Pretty neat though, and lighting all around, of course, for safety, which is key. Okay, so when we got the place, we had a view, but there was this big closet right here blocking a chunk of the view.
This right here is the Lake Orancho.
Orange Lake. Now, because we bought the property next door to combine the two, we were allowed to open this up. There's privacy reasons where you can't change walls. We're our neighbors, so we were allowed to.
And speaking of privacy, who doesn't love a little peekaboo window?
This is gonna let light in to the stairwell and downstairs, and also just be a beautiful feature piece. We can put some nice stuff on the wall. It'll be great.
You can watch your friends come up and down.
This will be a fully closed-in area. Then the same countertops will continue this way. Here we have a grill, an outdoor barbecue grill thing, and a pizza oven, right? Both gas-based. And then the counters, we can sort of continue countertop kind of, continue on, hangout area. Below it, there'll be some storage. There'll also be a couple air conditioning units, just again, because we have so many, they have to put them somewhere. And that's the extent of and then the bar. The doors and windows go to here. If it was on the inside, it gets a little cramped. Out here, something, that's bar height, somewhat squared off or whatever it may be, is what we're thinking.
Okay, this is the future home of our rooftop pizza oven, which will be both gas and wood, because I can't carry a whole bunch of wood up all the time.
I can.
And it will also be gas, did I mention, so nobody has to carry wood up all the time.
Yep, just gotta bring up some gas. And Prosecco, and yeah, we're gonna make some pizzas. May not be as good as the ones you just get everywhere here, but we're gonna try and have the ability. It's more gonna be a reheat pizza oven.
It's gonna be a very hot pizza oven reheater. But I really think I'm gonna make my own dough.
Okay.
The pizza oven's very exciting for me.
She gets her pizza oven, I get my grill. Boom. Nice big beautiful barbecue grill, gas built in, not lugging tanks up anywhere. 14 flights of stairs. I don't know if you can get tanks here. We got a grill. We got a full kitchen out here, indoor, outdoor, love it.
Storage underneath, which is key when you have to come up 3 flights of stairs. We gotta keep some of the pans up here.
An anti-wine railing, so if you have too much wine, you don't fall off.
Oh yeah, we should probably show the anti-wine railing. It's also for the children. These are the posts that will be the beginnings of our railing, which, maybe cuts off the view a little bit, but it's gonna keep anybody, especially the babies, from falling off the edge. Of course, we'll be watching them, but it can't hurt to have a little extra precaution when you're this high in the air.
Buongiorno. Scusi.